Miriam Wamuthungu finally niarikitie kumbura ndeto ciakenererwo muno ni mafans ake after a very long wait na gukoroke atekurelease rwimbo rweru na mafans ake ni marakoretwo makimuria muno when is she dropping her new song. Riu finally niarikitie kumaumburira ati the song is out, niguite mateta mao na muthenya wa mothe niarikitie kurekereria rwimbo rwake rweru na undu akora akiumbura uri wakenererwo muno ni ati this is her first ever collabo aligwa akorwo akiumbura ndari wika asha ainite rwimbo ruru na muini ungi uria akorwo akiumbura ati it's actually her firstborn daughter musically ni mundu arerete uini-ini na she is so happy and glad to be able to do this with her. But uhoro ni ati the long wait is over, her brand new song is out. Na even earlier on she had shared a snippet, a video on TikTok ira mafans mashoka gutaukwo ati ru ni rwimbo rwake rweru, irari shoot ya rwimbo rwake rweru na ni makena muno tondu it is a wonderful video na ajena gukorwo aki apologize ira mafans ake ni gukorwo maigite muno na agikimera I know you voted for me sana pale YouTube. My very first collabo is out now, my firstborn daughter musically. Kindly rush pale YouTube, watch, subscribe and share widely. Come, let's support this lady as she ventures in the music ministry. Isn't she blessed? Tabindegwa, congratulations and all the best. Let's nurture this talent together, fam. Miriam Wamuthungu akiruguria rwimbo rwake rweru officially ruretwo Muhuri Minyororo featuring Tabi Ndegwa na mafans ni mamukenerera na njira nene muno and congratulating her. Magikena muno kumenya finally the new song is out, the long wait is over. Miriam Wamuthungu's brand new song is out na congratulations to her on her new song Muhuri Minyororo featuring Tabi Ndegwa. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.